Here's why I stopped using ChatGPT for research, and it's not what you think. It's not about the hallucination, it's about the context. When you ask ChatGPT a research question, it just pulls up information from all over the internet, which is impressive, but research isn't the internet. Research is a specific body of work from your field that's like peer reviewed, that you can like trace back to the source and the site. ChatGPT doesn't have that context. I found a tool where I can just upload my files and put it in a library, look up for the source, ask questions on AI, and click on the numbers, and I'll just get the file from the source. That's what research actually is, knowing where the information comes from.
So, this is the website. You can go and upload multiple papers to this website. Later, from the library, you can add each of the paper to a different folder. This helps in keeping all the papers organized. Towards the right is the chatbot. You can go here and ask any question from the uploaded files and it answers from the papers. You can click on these numbers which take you directly to the paper. The website is anara.com.